Hop into the 2016 Nissan Rogue. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Start planning your family road trips in this comfortable, well-equipped Rogue. This clever crossover offers plenty of space and thoughtful creature comforts to keep your crew relaxed and eager for adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, alarm, dual zone AC, electronic stability control, power driver's seat, rear spoiler, traction control. Spacious comfort is surprisingly efficient in this well-designed Rogue. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.